Hey there, I'm Kashish and welcome back. If you are a designer, content creator, or just someone who loves experimenting with graphics, you're going to love today's videos. Have you ever wanted to create stunning SVGs but felt stuck with complicated design tools? Well, what if I told you there's an AI-powered tool that makes SVG creation effortless? Introducing SVG Studio, an AI tool that helps you design scalable, high-quality vector graphics in just a few clicks. Whether you need icons, illustrations, or custom designs, this tool has got you covered. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use SVG Studio step by step, right from generating SVGs to customizing them for your projects. So if you're ready to take your design to the next level, let's jump right in. So to get started, head over to Google or any other web browser of your choice and click on the search bar. Then type in SVG Studio. Remember, you'll find the link to this tool in the description box below. Or you can search for SVG Studio and click on this link, which you can see on your screen. And this is what will appear. Now this AI tool, SVG Studio, helps with a variety of things. Let's see what are its core functionalities. It can help you with AI-based SVG generator, which we are going to look into soon in this video. Next, it also helps you with semantic SVG search, which means you put in your photo or sketch and it makes an SVG out of it. It has a huge library of SVG bundles from which you can explore all of the 64,000 plus SVGs in their library, which is perfect for anyone who is looking into having SVGs of various different styles. Now on the left bar, you can see a lot of options like signing in, getting started, AI SVG generator, semantic search, gallery, and all the other tools. But today, we are going to look at AI SVG generator. So click on it and you'll see something like this. Now open a new tab and say, for instance, you want an SVG of a lily flower. So just search lily flower and in the images, click whichever image resonates the most with the angle you want the flowers to be placed in. I'm going ahead with this one because I think it's a really pretty position. And now I just need to copy the URL of this image, which can be easily done by right-clicking the image and click on copy image URL. Then paste it over here on the SVG Studio website in this rectangle. And then on the in the rectangle right above that, you will have to put in your prompt based on which the SVG generator will generate your SVG. So here I'll simply type in lily flower for now. You can ask it to make as many iterations as you want it to make. The more the amount of iterations, the more is the time which it will take to make. Samples, I usually prefer them to be kept as 4, so it gives me 4 different styles in which, or 4 different images created. You can also select from the detail level and the different styles. Here I'll just go ahead with a simple cartoon style, or I can select paper cut. So let's go ahead with paper cut, and then in the prompt again you will have to write in paper cut style. This will help the AI tool make your design have the perfect style. You can also set the width and the height. Over here for now it's 1:1 is the ratio of width is to height. And then hit enter. And soon the AI tool will start working on generating your SVG. It's very simple to use. Just a few simple steps and few basic clicks. And there you have it. 4 amazingly generated lily flowers for in the form of SVGs. It has followed a paper cut style, as we can see. Now you can see all 4 of them, and whichever one you like the most, just click on it. Say for instance I like this one, I can hover over it and bookmark it. or just click on generate to make any changes in it. Let us see what happens when we click on search. So I clicked on search after hovering on the image on the SVG generator, and soon it gave me multiple different flowers which were similar and in a paper cut style. This is from the SVG Studio's SVG library, where we saw there were 64,000 plus SVGs, which is massive. And right when you click bookmark, your SVG will be bookmarked for you. Now let us see what happens when we click generate. So click on it and a screen similar to our first screen will appear. And as you can see on top left, the image has been uploaded. Now in the prompt section, you can put in a simple prompt of whatever SVG you want the AI tool to make. Here I'm just setting it to make bouquet of flowers, and I need just 2 samples, so I'll let it be at default, which is 2. And soon, after a little bit of loading, the SVGs will be ready. As you can see, it has multiple flowers along with the flower which we had given in the background, behind the flower which we had uploaded. Isn't that so cool? Before ending this video, let's quickly talk about why SVGs are amazing and when you should use them. SVG or scalable vector graphics are a file format that keeps your designs crisp and clear at any size. Unlike PNGs or JPGs, SVGs don't pixelate when you zoom in, making them perfect for logos, icons, and illustrations. And here's the best part. SVGs are lightweight and load faster on websites, helping improve performance and SEO. Plus, they support animations and can be edited directly with code. So when should you use them? Anytime you need high quality scalable graphics, like for web design, UI UX elements, infographics, or even custom artwork. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, do give it a like, share it with your friends, and comment down below any other video ideas which you want us to make a video on. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.